From France to Finland, from Spain to Serbia, let's explore every European country, its flag, nationality, and language in English. This is Albania. People from Albania are Albanian. They speak Albanian. This is Andorra. People from Andorra are Andorran. They speak Catalan. This is Austria. People from Austria are Austrian. They speak German. This is Belarus. People from Belarus are Belarusian. They speak Belarusian and Russian. This is Belgium. People from Belgium are Belgian. They speak Dutch, French, and German. This is Bosnia and Herzegovina. People from Bosnia and Herzegovina are Bosnian, Croatian, or Serbian. They speak Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian. This is Bulgaria. People from Bulgaria are Bulgarian. They speak Bulgarian. This is Croatia. People from Croatia are Croatian. They speak Croatian. This is Cyprus. People from Cyprus are Cypriot. They speak Greek and Turkish. For more tips, subscribe our channel. This is Denmark. People from Denmark are Danish. They speak Danish. This is Estonia. People from Estonia are Estonian. They speak Estonian. This is Finland. People from Finland are Finnish. They speak Finnish and Swedish. This is France. People from France are French. They speak French. This is Germany. People from Germany are German. They speak German. This is Greece. People from Greece are Greek. They speak Greek. This is Hungary. People from Hungary are Hungarian. They speak Hungarian. This is Iceland. People from Iceland are Icelanders. They speak Icelandic. This is Ireland. People from Ireland are Irish. They speak English and Irish. This is Italy. People from Italy are Italian. They speak Italian. This is Kosovo. People from Kosovo are Kosovar. They speak Albanian and Serbian. This is Latvia. People from Latvia are Latvian. They speak Latvian. This is Lithuania. People from Lithuania are Lithuanian. They speak Lithuanian. This is Luxembourg. People from Luxembourg are Luxembourgers. They speak Luxembourgish, French, and German. This is Malta. People from Malta are Maltese. They speak Maltese and English. For more tips, subscribe our channel. This is Moldova. People from Moldova are Moldovan. They speak Romanian. This is Monaco. People from Monaco are Monegasque. They speak French. This is Montenegro. People from Montenegro are Montenegrin. They speak Serbian. This is Netherlands. People from the Netherlands are Dutch. They speak Dutch. This is North Macedonia. People from North Macedonia are Macedonian. They speak Macedonian. This is Norway. People from Norway are Norwegian. They speak Norwegian. This is Poland. People from Poland are Polish. They speak Polish. This is Portugal. People from Portugal are Portuguese. They speak Portuguese. This is Romania. People from Romania are Romanian. They speak Romanian. This is Russia. People from Russia are Russian. They speak Russian. This is San Marino. People from San Marino are Sammarinese. They speak Italian. This is Serbia. People from Serbia are Serbian. They speak Serbian. This is Slovakia. People from Slovakia are Slovak. They speak Slovak. This is Slovenia. People from Slovenia are Slovene. They speak Slovene. This is Spain. People from Spain are Spanish. They speak Spanish. This is Sweden. People from Sweden are Swedish. They speak Swedish. For more tips, subscribe our channel. This is Switzerland. People from Switzerland are Swiss. They speak German, French, Italian, and Romansh. This is Ukraine. People from Ukraine are Ukrainian. They speak Ukrainian. This is United Kingdom. People from the United Kingdom are British. They speak English. This is Vatican City. People from Vatican City are Vatican citizens. They speak Italian and Latin.